Hi everybody, in today's session I'm going to be guiding you through Tai Chi Walking Sideways. This is a slow, steady way of moving the body, and it really does use that slow, controlled transfer of body weight from one foot to the other that Tai Chi is really known for. It's really going to help you become body aware of your posture, your alignment, of where that body weight is distributed. And this will help build strength, build our balance, and keep us confident in our movement and enhance our everyday activities. And as we age, practicing Tai Chi walking sideways will also help prevent falls. Throughout the session, move at your own pace, listen to your own body, take those modifications that I talked through at the start to make sure it stays safe and comfortable movement for you, and most of all, enjoy. Let's get started. Throughout the session, remember to think about your posture. We're grounding our feet to the floor, we're lifting up through the crown. We're pulling belly button through to spine to engage those core muscles and keeping everything relaxed at the joints. Okay, so let's talk through the mechanics of our Tai Chi walking sideways. We're going to start with our feet hip width apart, and we're sinking into our horse stance to start. Next, transfer the body weight slowly over to side bow. Let's just pause it here and think about our body weight distribution. We have our leg bent in side bow with most of the weight on that leg, and it means that the other leg is free or empty of body weight. To continue the walk, we release that empty foot, we step it in, and then we transfer the weight over onto it, which means that the other foot then becomes empty of weight. We can release that foot, step it out to the side, and transfer the body weight all the way across to our side bow again. Let's repeat that on the other side. Transfer the body weight across, release the foot and step it in. Transfer the weight over onto that foot, then we can release the other foot, step it out, transfer the weight over again to our side bow stance. Let's practice that Tai Chi sideways walking again. Let me show you how to modify the step and keep it a little bit easier for the legs. We're keeping a more upright position, so the legs are straighter, the steps are smaller, the knee bend is smaller, and therefore we've not got as much pressure, not got as much overload on the knee joints, and it just keeps it a lot gentler for those knees. Let me also show you a progression which makes this more challenging for our leg strength and balance. We are stepping out longer, we are lowering our knee bend, making that deeper, really transferring the weight across, trying to slow down the step and really work through the feet as we peel those off and place them back onto the floor. This means that we're challenging our balance, we're staying on one foot for longer. Okay, so we're now ready to practice our Tai Chi walking sideways in a nice Tai Chi flow. Starting with a short warm up, feet hip width apart, let's knock on the door by turning the waist and just loosening the body. Feet wider and transfer the weight, making the movement a little bit bigger. Bringing ourselves to the middle, let's regulate the breath. Breathing in as the arms float up to shoulder height, breathing out as we sink into that horse stance and the arms lower. Stepping our feet out to a wider stance, so we're going to do our waving hands through clouds with a transfer of weight from side bow through to side bow. And just to talk through the hands, we've got one hand on the table, other hand as if it's holding a mirror in front of our face. We want to focus on that top hand, watch it wave as we turn it, and just transfer the weight across to move the arms. We're also turning the waist to move the arms across. Let's add our Tai Chi Walking Sideways and our waving hands through clouds together. Just going to reposition over to the side of the room so I've got a little bit more space to travel. And I'm going to do 4 steps of Tai Chi Walking Sideways in one direction, and then I will change direction and do 4 the other way. I think I've just about got enough room. And I'm going to stay here in the middle with a nice wide stance. Let's bring our arms up and inhale, gather the chi, breathing out as the hands come down. Big breath in, expanding the lungs and chest. Breathing out, relaxing as the hands come down. Let's balance the chi, breathing in as the hands come to chest out, turn them over and breathing out. Remember, we are moving our hands through water, adding that natural resistance, keeping everything calm and relaxed. And to finish the session, stepping the feet together, pressing palms at the chest. I hope you've enjoyed today's session of Tai Chi Walking Sideways with the added waving hands through clouds, a lovely combination of movements. Great one to practice to improve strength and balance and protect ourselves against falls. If you've enjoyed the session, remember to subscribe to the channel. See you soon. Bye.